Pashley Cycles, based in Stratford-upon-Avon, was born out of the West Midlands' rich industrial heritage. It's living testimony that traditional manufacturing need not be passé. Their retro-style bikes are made with pride, passion, an eye for detail, so each one is unique, beautiful, and provides enjoyment for life.
This is Pashley Cycles, established in 1926 by William Rath Pashley and his wife. The company was originally called Pashley and Barber, and they ostensibly made clubmen's racing bikes and touring bikes based in Digbeth in Birmingham. We're quite unique in the fact that we are the last major UK manufacturer of bikes and trikes. We can build around 150 different kinds of bike or variants thereof. We don't put anything on the shelf, everything is built to order. So orders come in, we build them and they go out. As you can see here, this is the main fabrication area. So this is where the metal tubing, as you see here, comes into us. We cut, bend and shape the metal and then braze, which is a process of introducing braze into lugged joints, which is again a traditional method. And if you turn around, you'll see behind you is one of the welding bays themselves. You see there are lots of different welding bays. Some are making work bikes, some are making tricycles, some are making traditional bikes.
These employees produce about 10,000 units a year, and 25% by value of what they produce is exported to up to 50 countries.
These are the ovens. We have 2 ovens working and 2 powder bays, both working all the way through the day. So we do a whole range of different colours. Once the frames are powder coated, they go into the oven and they're baked for 20 minutes. When that process is finished, they then go onto the shelves. Most of the bike is finished by one individual. If you look on that machine there, what he's doing is he is putting the bottom brackets into the frame. Now that's a very important part of the bike, that's where the pedal arms go. Sam will then put on the decals, the rear carrier, and other items as well, so that the bike is then ready to be assembled into its full state. The other elements of sub-assembly that we do is the handlebars and stem. Again, with a vast range of different bikes, there are a few configurations of bar, bell, shifter and brake lever. Forks, which you can see here, again another area of sub-assembly. These are put together with their mud guards. If it has a dynamo light on, that will be added as well. And then those 2 elements are ready to bolt onto the final bike with the wheels in the final process. We have 5 assemblers of the traditional bikes, again working all day, and you can see here pretty much they undertake the building of the rest of the bike. So although the forks, the handlebars are ready, the wheels are built, it is up to one individual to complete the process and sign it off for its quality, etc.
Although we have been in a recession, as everybody knows too well, we have seen an increase in demand for our product throughout that time, and particularly with the weakness of the pound, we've seen increased demand from export, but we've also seen it from the UK as well. And what people are buying into is the authenticity and the heritage of what we produce. They're buying into who we are, what we are, and the fact that we are trying to give them a quality product all of the time. It's like being in a sweet shop, that we've got all these lovely areas that we have got before us that we have yet to exploit. By doing some research into what the customer needs, by then designing towards that specific need, gives us absolutely the most amazing sort of prospects for future development and for the future in general.
The process of building all those different colours, configurations, sizes, frames, trikes, work bikes means that it's a very dedicated process. So there is a bespoke element to it. We're not just mass producing, we are actually building bikes to order.
Yes, we may be a company that's been around 80 years, but in the way we work, we're very modern in our approach, and we're very forward-looking to what the future needs of our customers are. And we are indeed a niche manufacturer of bicycles. What's important though is that 99% of the bicycles that are now sold in the UK come in boxes from offshore companies, largely from the Far East. And so it's really important for us that we continue to design and make and sell product from our UK base. And certainly we are evidence that manufacturers such as ourselves can survive and can continue in the environment.